unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
A cough lasting more than 8 weeks is considered persistent and may need medical attention. Infections usually clear within a few weeks, so a cough that lingers could signal asthma, allergies, or serious conditions. If your cough lasts beyond 2 months, especially with symptoms like weight loss or blood, see a healthcare provider. Don't ignore a prolonged cough. It's your body asking for help.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.